episode of Library Shorts. This month we're thinking about animal friends. My name is Kirsten. I work at the Edgerton Public Library, but today I'm here in my backyard. Since winter is such a great time to play outside and explore, I thought we'd use this time to look for some evidence of animals that have been visiting our backyards and our neighborhoods. We can all be scientists in our own neighborhood as we look for signs that animals have left behind. So thanks for joining me. Here are some nice animal tracks. I wonder what kind of animal made these tracks in the snow. Okay, those little brown round things aren't cocoa pebbles or cocoa puffs. Those are animal poop or scat. That's what we call that. Animal poop is called scat. Those look like they are from a rabbit. Here's some evidence of animals. The little white specks are bird poop, bird scat. And I can also see that these birds have been eating sunflower seeds. So even though I can't see any birds right here, I know they've been here. Here's another sign of animals. You can tell that they've been eating on this branch, eating away the bark. So we don't always like seeing that in our yard, but the animals are hungry and they'll find food. Here's some signs of some animals. Lots and lots of tracks here. A great place to look for animal tracks is areas where there's some shrubs or bushes leading out to an open space. Animals like to be able to hide by those bushes. There are lots of tracks out by these trees. Again, they like to come in and seek some shelter. So that area between the open space and the trees, you'll find lots of tracks. There's some more rabbit poop, the rabbit scat. There's some more animal chewing, sign that an animal's been here having a snack. Well, we saw some cool stuff in my yard, and I'm sure you'll be able to find some really interesting things in your yard and neighborhood as well. I want to show you a couple things that you can download from our Arrowhead Library System webpage. The first is a brochure called Mammal Tracks on Wisconsin. This is published by the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, and it has pictures of a lot of tracks that you can see in the winter and some information about the animals that made those tracks. So that will help you identify what tracks you saw out in your yard. The other thing that you can download is this Nature Discovery Kit, and it has some really fun pages that will help you with some of the things that we were looking at today. I really like this animal sign bingo. So today, on our hike, we were able to see some of these things, like the animal scat, the animal trails, the deer tracks. So you can download that and try that at home. There's also a page that has information about animal scat. Let me show you that page. Oh, more tracks. There we go. Tracking down animals, the scoop on poop. So you can learn a little bit more about animal scat. So again, these documents you can download from our Arrowhead Library System Library Shorts webpage, just under the videos. Enjoy your time outside. Go find some evidence of animals and enjoy being scientists. Bye-bye.